video response to Chris the Butcher and his challenge. Because I have medical reasons why I can't eat a load of sugar. I'm diabetic. My brother has very graciously decided to stand in for me and complete this challenge. Richard has a prodigious appetite for things that are sweet, as you will soon see. So I am rather optimistic about these 12 Tunnocks tea cakes. Along with it, he has some tea, which is proper because they are tea cakes, and he also has a glass of water. There are a couple more standing by in the background, already peeled and ready to go, and now we're about to face the challenge. Richard, I'm just going to quickly get my phone so we can do the countdown. Alright, you'll see the timer is set for 1 minute and 0 seconds, so I will press start, and then no doubt you'll be checking it, dear viewers. You can see me there, look. No doubt you'll be checking it, dear viewers, so keep your eye on him, make sure he behaves himself. Let's get ready. Right, you can hold them up to your face. Getting ready. Right, let's put the rules. Right, anything that's in your gob at the end and doesn't come out, it still counts. Alright?
Gob means mouth, by the way.
Yeah, yeah. You've got to stuff it in your gob. Right? If it's in your gob, it counts as long as it doesn't come back out afterwards. Alright? Right. Okay. I know you can do it. So, on your marks, get set, go. And the first one's in, and here we go with the second one, and he's done in about 4 seconds. He's done 2. We're supposed to do 1 every 5 seconds to make 12 in a minute. He's really doing well, this boy, and he's heroic. We're on 38, 35 seconds. Cram them in. Liquid. This is the first time I've seen him stuck for eating something sweet. You got 20 seconds left, bruv. Just crack in as many as you can get in. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're 0. Alright.
Alright.
Anyone get that? That's the sound of doom. Right, we need to do a count now. Alright. Oh, shut up, you stupid.
Only did about 5.
Right, so hang on, we got left here. We got out of the 12. We've got. You only did 4, you lightweight. Oh, right, so in 1 minute, Richard, of the prodigious appetite for sweet things, managed 4. They're a lot harder to
much harder than you think.
Yeah, my friend Chris had the same problem with them. I think it's because they're so mushy and they sort of fight back.
And blow up.
Yeah, they fight back. Yeah. Oh well done. That was a heroic effort anyway, Dick, and thanks. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Alright, that's the challenge completed. He only did 4, but I think it was a fairly heroic effort. 4 in a minute, it's not bad. It's more than I could eat. And I'm throwing down the gauntlet now for Rick of Rick's Foods channel, and also Mark of Mark's Remarks. I know you've done nothing to me, guys, but you know, all's fair in love and war. Alright then, the challenge is down. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.